Hello and welcome, this is Daisy. Have you ever wondered if you can do sublimation on cotton t-shirts using transfer paper? I invite you to continue watching this video so you can see the results of the test I will be doing today. For this, I will be using white fabric transfer that I bought at Walmart. Before continuing with the video, I want to emphasize that this transfer paper has been designed to print images using a conventional inkjet printer. I have been doing some tests using Sublimation ink and wanted to share it with you. In the description below this video, I'm going to link all of the supplies used for this video. I'm going to start working with the design, but before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. This is the design I'm going to be working with today. If you would like to use this design, I invite you to visit me on my blog so you can download it for free. And to print the design, I'm going to be using the free graphic design program Inkscape. Open it. The first step we're going to take is select the paper we're going to be printing. Go to File, select Document Properties, then you will see this window on the right. Here you can select the paper you're going to be printing. I'm going to select letter size on landscape. Now to insert the image, go to File, Import, select the image you wish to use, open it, and here click OK. This image is super big, and that is because I saved it on high resolution. Like this, we're going to obtain a very sharp and defined printing. Resize to your needs. For that, go to the size bar above, change it to inches, close the lock, and set the measurements. This one is 11 by 8.5. Then select the picture and place it inside the rectangle. You may resize it to your needs. I'm going to print the full letter size. Once it's ready to print, go to File, click on Print, select the printer you are using, click on Preferences, make sure it's the size you're printing, in this case letter size. On paper type, select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On quality, select High. If you wish, select Print Preview, then go to More Options and select Mirror Image. Click OK, then Print. And here's a preview of how it's going to print. If everything looks okay, click on Print. I am printing using an Epson EcoTank printer with Sublimation ink. But remember, you may also print using an inkjet printer with conventional ink. Now we're going to cut around using scissors. Now we're going to transfer the design to the cotton t-shirt. Place 2 pieces of butcher paper inside the t-shirt. This to avoid staining on the back. Now press it for 10 seconds before placing the design. Next, clean the surface using a lint roller. Place a piece of protective paper on top, and if you wish, you may secure it with heat-resistant tape. Now we're going to press for 60 seconds at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. If you wish, you may place another piece of butcher paper on top of the design. Let's reveal the design. The colors are very vivid and bright. So this is the one that I just made. I'm going to show you one that I made before, and it's been washed 5 times with soap and water. There you can see the difference between the one that I just made with the one that is already being washed. I hope this video has helped you decide whether to use this method to sublimate white cotton t-shirts or continue sublimating polyester t-shirts using sublimation paper. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.